if you get water in your tech, whether it's your phone or your action camera, it can steam up the inside lens, mess up your electrics. So what you can do, take it apart, get these rubber feet on the bottom of your camera or whatever it is. These generally just flick off and you get a small screwdriver. Yep. Open it up, don't disconnect any wires, and just stick it in a tub of salt. Give it a couple of days, it will draw out the moisture. Now, if you lose your rubber feet that cover your screws up, that means moisture can get in. So, a little trick, rather than just going and buying a new one, is you can use a candle. If you use glue, you won't be able to take the screw out. Candle wax creates a waterproof seal that it's a bit brittle, but it'll keep the water out, and you can always just remove the wax easily afterwards. That's it, job done. What we need is a couple of drops just to cover the hole. Now you can take that out and that will actually go solid pretty quick. So it keeps all the water out, plus you can use a matchstick or a needle or a pencil, or you can just warm it up with your hand or something and it will just come out. So yeah, that is waterproof your screw holes if you lose your rubber foot.